Hi everyone, Gail here. Social media weekly update for July 1st through July 7th. July 4th is happening this week, so every car dealer knows it is furniture and car shopping week where you get a lot of deals and sales. So I'm sure at your dealership you have a sale going on. If you don't, I would get one going this week to move inventory off your lot with the programs and incentives that you have at your store. Number 2 this week, I don't have any glitches to report about on social media. The last one I talked about was Facebook Messenger, had some glitches going on with the chat bot and the AI tool, but they seem to have resolved themselves. And third, it's been really interesting seeing dealers and vendors rally together to move past these CDK issues. And I know with us, our clients, what we were doing was rerouting leads to their email addresses so they could at least take care of their social media leads. But I know a lot of you follow CBT News, and a lot of people were making some wonderful suggestions of what to do while you were waiting for CDK to get back up and running. So no social media glitches this week to report about, and I will see everyone next week, and have a wonderful Canada Day today and July 4th.